everybody. Oh my goodness, congratulations. But let's do the workout first, and then we're gonna celebrate and have a party. So guys, this is part of our 5-a-day, 5-minute challenge, just to boost your mood, boost your energy, and get you showing exactly what you can do. All right, today it's lunges. Okay, everybody, I got my trusted trainers. They are looking very agile and fit today. So we are gonna take it through a 5-minute lunge exercise routine. All right, so first of all, let's start off with a nice little simple lunge, taking it back, alternating. So push that booty back, lift that chest up, and for 5 minutes, we're gonna take it through a whole series of lunges. So all you have to do is follow and listen to my voice. I'm gonna tell you for the changes. So you're gonna work your mind today, and we're gonna work that lower body. I'm so proud of you guys for finishing this 5-day challenge. Woo, and if you've just joined us on this day, no problem. Make sure that you go and finish the rest of them. That's all in this playlist. Okay, we're gonna take it down on that left leg, and you're just gonna hold. Oh yes, you're gonna put both of your hips facing forward. You're gonna lift that chest up. You're gonna be excited for today's workout. You're gonna be excited to get amazing results. We're gonna hold for 3, 2, 1, and let's take it over to the other side. So again, lifting that chest up, pushing both of those hips forward, and you're just gonna hold. That's it, squeeze that glute, little bit of a glute squeeze as well, because we're working all of our booty muscles as well. Hold for 3, 2, 1. Now lift all the way up and take it back into your alternating lunges. Oh yes. Now you're gonna feel like there's gonna be some times where you wanna quit. And guess what? Doesn't just happen in exercise, right? It happens in everything. And all it is the universe testing you to see how much you want something. So are you gonna pass the test? Yes, today you are gonna pass the test, and you're gonna keep on pushing forward. Now let's take it all the way back, hold right here, and give me some pulses. Oh yes, some famous pulses that really get our body engaged. Pulling that core in nice and tight, ribs are down, chest is lifted. Let's pulse for 3, 2, 1, over to the other side. Now let's take it down again, little pulses. Now chest is lifted, shoulders are down, you're just looking straight out into the distance, and here we go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna take it back on one leg all the way through. So that's it. So a little tap, and then push down into that front heel and lift all the way up. So nice lunge and extend through. We're gonna bring that leg up this time. So push down into that supporting leg, lift up through the chest, take it a nice lunge, and then send those arms nice and strong all the way through. Here we go. You've got this. 5. Breathe through it. 4. Here we go. Stronger. 3, 2, give me 1 more, and lift. All right, shake it out, take it straight onto the other side. So all you're gonna do first of all is just you're gonna tap next to that leg, and then we're gonna extend it all the way through. Here we go, everybody. This is the last day. Let's push forward. Just imagine like you have not done any working out today, or you haven't done anything, you've just woken up, and you're like, I'm gonna crush it. I've got all the energy that I need. Now let's lift that leg up, push down into that heel, send it all the way through, and nice lifted. Woohoo, we're looking good, everybody. We are over halfway. Push down into that heel, lift up through the chest, and let's go for 5. Come on, lower. 4, nice and strong in those arms. 3, and 2. Give me 1 more, and extend. All right, shake it out, shake it out. We're gonna take it into some little repeaters going back. So you're just gonna repeat back, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull that core in nice and tight. Now, you're gonna take it back and lunge. So even faster. So that kind of repeater is gonna take you into a full lunge. That's it, just on one side. Inhale through your nose and exhale out. We got this. For 3, 2, and 1. Over to the other side. Little tiny repeaters. Use that core to hold your balance. Bring the ribs down, and then use those arms nice and strong. Take it back into that lunge in 3, 2, 1. Take it all the way down, and here we go. That's it, nice and fast. Push down into that supporting leg. You're gonna feel the glutes on fire. Let's go for 5. Come on, breathe through it. And number 2, and number 1. Come back to your alternating lunges. Oh yes, we're not taking a rest today. We're gonna keep on pushing forward. Lift that chest up for 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna take into a side lunge. So pushing out to the side, and then lifting all the way up, releasing that leg and bringing that knee in towards your chest. We have a minute to go. Absolutely nothing. You can do anything for 60 seconds to finish this challenge. Lift up, and let's take it over to the other side. So switch over, straight away, lift, and bringing that chest up. As you do, look at your arms. Are they engaged? Are they strong? Are you pushing yourself? Lift up. 3, 2, 1. Take it here and give me some little pulses. That's it. So push that knee out to the side for 3, 2, 1. Over to the other side. Same thing again. Come on, keep that body moving. And we're gonna take it back in the final part into those reverse lunges. You're gonna speed it up a little bit. Get as many as you can in. And here we go. We have got 10 seconds left just in this challenge. Let's keep pushing forward for 3, 2, and 1. And release. Oh my goodness. You guys did it. Make sure that you tell everybody in the comments below which one your favorite challenge was, and also congratulate everybody else on doing it. Guys, don't forget to get your ticket for the event on the 12th of September 2020, and I'll see you then. Bye guys. Backwards, all right? You've just taken a little dip, and now what we're doing is we just need a little boost, right? Which is what we're doing here with our 5-day challenge to get you back on track, okay? Now, taking those arm circles.